Promoting your self-published book on Amazon KDP doesn't have to cost a fortune. Ella sold a ton of her educational workbooks using YouTube and Twitter, and she did not pay a penny or spend a dime. Right, for you to nail this strategy, I'm gonna have to take you to the beginning of Ella's story. You see, Ella had a passion for creating educational workbooks for children. However, she wanted more people to know about her books and use them to help their children learn. That's when Ella decided to start a YouTube channel to reach more parents, teachers, and children. She knew she needed a plan, so she sat down with a cup of tea and began to brainstorm. Ella remembered that parents and teachers always look for ways to make learning more effective and enjoyable. So she decided to create a series of videos just for them. Every Monday, Ella posted a new video. She called her series Monday Learning Tips. In one video, she demonstrated how parents could integrate workbook activities into their morning routines. In another, she shared tips for teachers on making math lessons more engaging. Ella made sure her videos were practical and easy to follow, and soon parents and teachers eagerly awaited her Monday uploads. Ella's consistency and practical advice helped her build a loyal following. Parents and teachers appreciated her insights and began sharing her videos with others. This organic growth boosted her book sales as more people discovered and trusted her education resources. Next, Ella thought about how helpful it would be to review her workbooks and recommend other educational resources. So she decided to start a bi-weekly series called Wednesday Reads. In her Wednesday Reads videos, Ella reviewed her own workbooks, highlighting their unique features and benefits. She explained how each workbook addressed specific learning goals, helping parents and teachers choose the right ones for their children. Ella didn't stop there though. She also recommended other educational books and resources that complemented her workbooks. She created top 5 lists for various subjects and age groups, providing valuable insights to her audience. Her honest and thoughtful reviews built trust, and viewers began to see her as a reliable source of information. If you're finding these insights valuable and want to dive deeper into mastering Amazon KDP, click the top link in the description to check out my Udemy course, How to Excel on Amazon KDP. Now let's continue with Ella's story. Ella wanted to explore other ways to reach even more parents, teachers, and children. One evening, she had a brilliant idea. She using SurveyMonkey, Facebook groups, and Twitter to promote her books for free. Ella joined various Facebook groups and parenting forums like NetMums dedicated to parenting and education. She introduced herself in these groups, explaining her passion for children's education and her workbooks. To engage with these communities, Ella created a survey on SurveyMonkey. She wanted to gather data that would help her create a catchy but true headline. She crafted a simple survey asking parents and teachers about the biggest challenges they face in educating young children. These questions included options like keeping kids focused, making learning fun, finding good resources, balancing screen time. Ella shared the survey link in the Facebook groups and on the NetMums website. She also used the hashtag journal request on Twitter to reach a wider audience and catch the eye of freelance writers looking for interesting data. The survey quickly gained traction with many parents and teachers participating. After a few days, Ella had her results. The majority of the respondents said that making learning fun was their biggest challenge. With her survey results in hand, Ella crafted a catchy headline. Survey reveals biggest challenge for parents and teachers, making learning fun. She knew this headline would resonate with many people and attract attention. Next, Ella wrote a compelling article to support the headline. In the article, she shared the survey results, discussing why making learning fun is crucial and offered practical solutions from her educational workbooks. She positioned her books as the perfect tools to address this challenge, highlighting specific activities and features that made learning enjoyable for children. The article was directly aligned with her book, showcasing how her workbooks were designed to make learning fun and effective. You see, Ella knew that many freelance writers were always on the lookout for interesting stories and data. She also knew that a lot of these writers used the hashtag journal request on Twitter to find leads. So she decided to reach out to them with her findings. She searched for recent tweets with the hashtag journal request and identified writers who were looking for education-related stories. Ella sent them a friendly message sharing her survey results and the article. She explained how her workbooks could be the solution to the challenge highlighted in the headline and politely requested if they could mention her books and include a link to her books on Amazon. Ella understood the genius behind this strategy. Most journalists are always looking for catchy but true headlines to grab their audience's attention, and Ella understood that by providing a done-for-you solution, Ella made their job easier. She had already created the headline, gathered the data, and written the article. All they had to do was include it in their publications. By positioning her workbooks as a solution to a common problem, Ella leveraged the freelancers' audiences to promote her books. She knew that if her workbooks were mentioned in popular articles, it would drive traffic to her book on Amazon and increase sales. Ella's strategy worked beautifully. Several freelance writers picked up her story and her article appeared in various online publications. Each mention included a link to her book on Amazon, bringing in new visitors eager to learn more about her workbooks. Parents and teachers who read the articles found her solutions valuable and started purchasing her workbooks. Ella's sales increased and she built a stronger presence in the educational community. Ella continued to create engaging content and clever promotional strategies. Her dedication and creativity helped her workbooks reach a wider audience, and she felt a deep sense of fulfillment knowing she was making a difference in children's education. You see, most people know about YouTube and Twitter, but they don't use these platforms to their full potential. As a self-publisher on Amazon, you can really stand out by leveraging these strategies effectively. First, let's talk about YouTube. Ella used a series of engaging videos to help parents and teachers. She was consistent, posting every Monday and Wednesday, which kept her audience coming back. Her content was valuable and tailored to her audience's needs. In the description of every video, Ella placed a link to her book on Amazon. Ella made sure to create regular content that helped her audience. So you got to think to yourself, what are the interests and needs of my audience? Also, consistency plays a big part. Post videos consistently to build anticipation and trust. Also, what I would suggest is to write a catchy but relevant title and customize your thumbnails so your videos can get more of a reach. Also, engage with your audience. Encourage likes, comments, and subscriptions. This will help you build a community. Think about how Ella joined Facebook groups and parenting forums. Think about how she used the hashtag journal request and then reached out to freelancers with a completed article. Think about how she created the survey that would justify a catchy but true headline. And remember, the more catchy, the more truer the headline, the more likely it will incentivize journalists to publish your article. Remember to include a link to your book in every description of your YouTube video. Also, include a link in the article that you're giving to the journalist. You see, you as a self-published author on Amazon, regardless of your genre, can adapt these strategies to your own niche by creating valuable content, being consistent, building a community, using data to your advantage. You see, most people have Amazon accounts and trust the platform. By you using these strategies, you can increase your chances of making a sale tenfold. And once Amazon notices your book is driving external traffic, they'll reward you with more visibility. You see, it's a win-win. Remember these steps and start putting them into action. They can make a big difference in getting your book noticed and sold on Amazon. Subscribe to my channel for concise, actionable KDP strategies designed for maximum learner retention. Empower your self-publishing journey with story-driven insights and gain a strategic advantage in your genre. So which free strategy are you going to start with? Is it X or YouTube? Put it in the comments. Until next time.